This is a quick little video on how to use Delta Math. So what you want to do when you first log on is you want to hit create account, and you're a student, so make sure that you're creating a student account. So if I hit student, now the first thing they're going to ask you for is a teacher code. So the teacher codes for Mr. Cornell and Ms. Holden are on our website, cimath.com. I have them right here as well. So Holden is 765614 and Mr. Cornell is 686788. So if I take this teacher code right here and I'm just going to copy and I'm going to paste it, and I come right here and I hit my teacher code, and as soon as you put that in, it's going to tell you your teacher's name, so just make sure that you're in the right class. So this is for people who have Miss Holden as a teacher. The next thing you have to do is you have to select which class that you're in. Are you in Algebra 2, Geometry Honors, Geometry Regions? So after you select your class, you're going to put your first name and last name. Make sure you're using your real name so that the teacher knows, because you're going to be graded from these assignments. So you can't make up a name that we don't know who you are. Email address can be a personal email or it can be a school email, and then your password, and then you're going to hit create account. So now once you've done that, you're going to have to log in. So I created a student account just so we can see how this looks from your point of view. And just log in. Okay, so when I come here, the assignments are going to be listed right here. So there's only one assignment that I have right here as a practice assignment. The due date is March 23rd. And I actually already started this because I was playing around with it, so it's 50% done. But if you click it, the questions are right underneath it, so I would click these questions right here. I just want to show you that up here in the top right there's a little calculator button, so if you do need a calculator. Also, if you want to download a graphing calculator onto your computer, that link is on our website as well. So if I come here and I click practice problems, now I've already done 2, so this records how many problems that I have. Total is 4 that I have to complete, and I've done 2 out of 4. There's also might be a penalty depending on the assignment, so if you get something wrong, you lose 1, or it could be lose a half, and I am 50% done at this point. So I made up some problems just to show you some of the features that you might need. This is just a quick, easy problem using the distributive property. So -2 times -1 is 2x, and then -2 times 3x is -6x squared. So -6, and if I want to get the x squared, so I have my x, but I need an exponent. Right here with this little, looks like a keyboard, if you click that, this gives you a whole bunch of things like division, multiplication, but right here, see how it says a squared? So if I hit that, the a is not going to come up, my exponent's going to come up. If I need a square root button, if I need parentheses, anything at all I need that you might need is right here. And again, I got that by clicking that little keyboard symbol. And then I hit submit answer. It asks me if I'm sure if I want to submit that answer. I hit yes, and I got it right. Now the nice thing about it is that they also show me a solution right here. Okay, if you don't know how to do something. So that's the solution. Even though I got it right, they show me a solution. I'm now 75% complete. So I hit my next problem. Now I want to show you that if you did not know how to do a problem, there's an example right here. So this next problem that I have is slope. So it gives you my slope formula and shows me with actual numbers how to do the slope. And then I go back to my original problem. So if you're ever stuck and don't know how to do something, this show example is very helpful. So now slope is the change in y over the change in x. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. So I hit, my answer is just 1 over 1. So obviously 1 over 1 is just 1. But let me give the wrong answer. I'm going to hit 2 just to show you. Are you sure you want to submit this answer? Yes. Now I got that wrong. I did that on purpose. Your answer is not correct. Try and find your mistake. You have 1 attempt remaining. So you can go back and you can either look at an example if you're not sure how to do something, or just go through your work again. So now 1 over 1, now obviously that's 1, but I want to show you how to do a fraction because sometimes you might need to do that. So again, I hit my little keyboard. And if I hit division, as soon as I hit that division, it places it into a fraction, so I can hit 1 over 1. Now that obviously is just equal to 1, so I don't need to do that. Another thing that I want to show you that you might possibly need to do is if you have to hit multiple things, this plus sign adds on if you had multiple answers or if you have to get rid of answers. There you go. And this one, my answer was just 1, and I hit submit, and there I go. All right, and now I've done 4 out of 4. I'm 100% complete. So it says congratulations. You can continue to practice if you feel you need extra practice, but you're done with that section, and that's about it. So that's how you use deltamath.com.